Hi, and thanks for participating in this course on physical methods of characterization for materials and surfaces. I'm Professor Mark Rutland from KTH at the Division of Surface and Corrosion Science, and with me is Professor Ralph Nuzzo from the University of Illinois. Very welcome, Ralph. So as graduate students, you're going to be exposed to a lot of different challenges, and there's a lot of different techniques out there that you're going to be able to use to solve these challenges. The goal of this course is to give you an introduction, an overview of many of those courses, and to give you an idea of the way that they can solve some of the challenges that you'll come across. So the course has been made possible by the partnership agreement between KTH and the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, from where Ralph is joining us. And the idea of this strategic partnership is to increase research and education ties between these two regionally dominant universities. So Ralph is going to be the lecturer on this course for almost all of the lectures, and I'd like to take a moment just to introduce him. He's the G.L. Clark Professor of Chemistry at the University of Illinois, as well as a Professor of Material Science and Engineering. Many of us know him as essentially one of the inventors of self-assembly monolayers. I think he's amazingly well cited in that area. But his more recent work covers everything from photovoltaics to bioanalytics. So it's a great pleasure, Ralph, that you're able to take this course for us. And I must say we're grateful to the INSPIRE program, which is this partnership between KTH and Illinois. Professor Stefan Östlund and Erika Buck here at KTH have made available resources for us to use the KTH media productions. So, Ralph, would you like to say a few things about the course?
Thanks, Mark. So in the days ahead, we'll be exploring through a series of lectures, various contemporary topics related to the characterization materials. The course is not exhaustive in its treatment of any particular technique, but rather will offer a broad survey of modern analytical methods that find broad scope of applications within materials chemistry and materials science. And hopefully what the interested student will come away from this course having learned will be how to ask and answer important questions and for which modern forms of instrumentation can provide useful understandings. And we'll look forward to working with you and talking to you in the days ahead.